Webasto NACS charging connector option coming soon. Webasto Charging Systems intends to be among the first EV charging equipment manufacturers to offer an option of Tesla's North American charging standard NACS connector to its charging solutions. The company not only announced the NACS but also said that it is coming soon, which is possible thanks to a proactive approach that resulted in the development of a fully functioning mobile cord set sample with the NACS connector, even before major automakers announced the switch to the NACS standard. The company has shown a few images of its prototype AC charging point with the NACS plug. As we already wrote before, the switch from the combined charging system CCS1 charging connector to NACS is expected to kill not only CCS1, but also the SAJ1772 AC charging connector, which was the base for the CCS1. Webasto Charging Systems will add a NACS coupler option to its North American EV supply equipment product lineup, so that customers who use NACS-compatible electric cars can purchase the right charging solution for them. According to Webasto, the list of products with NACS option includes Level 1 and 2 AC electric vehicle supply equipment (EVSE) for residential and semi-public applications, the Webasto Go mobile charger for home and on-the-go charging, the connected Turbo Connect wall box with the WCC app and backend is ideal for fleet, workplace, and hospitality charging, the cost-efficient Turbo DX 2.0 plug-in charger. For us, the most important thing is that the EV charging equipment manufacturers, Webasto and some other companies like ChargePoint or BTC Power, to name just a few, are planning ahead to be ready for the changing business environment, which will help to smooth the transition from CCS1J1772 to NACS. Dr. Michael J. Bauer, President and Chairman of Webasto Charging Systems, said, "We are committed to delivering cutting-edge charging solutions that meet the evolving needs of the U.S. market. Integrating NACS connector options throughout our product portfolio demonstrates our dedication to driving the adoption of electric mobility and enabling a sustainable future." Michael Schoenberger, VP Research and Development, said, "We take pride in offering a comprehensive range of charging solutions that cater to diverse needs, from residential to semi-public use cases. The NACS connector solution has been in active development, well ahead of recent industry announcements. This showcases our commitment to delivering advanced charging solutions that align with industry standards and requirements." Source: reposted and summarized from Mark Kane at Inside EVS.